Hi guys, Roman here from Urban Treats. We are back with another recipe. Today we are making luscious, rich Millionaires shortbread. This is a super easy recipe. I'm going to teach you how to make the actual shortbread. We're going to make caramel in a really simple method, and then we're going to cover it all with milk and white chocolate. So grab your ingredients and let's get started. We are going to start with the first layer of our Millionaire shortbread, and that's the actual shortbread. So for that we're going to cream butter at room temperature for 3 to 4 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. We then add in our white and dark sugar, 1 egg yolk, our vanilla extract, and our salt. Once everything is well combined, we add in our flour, and we're going to do that in 3 parts so that we don't get any clumps. Once you get a nice crumbly texture is when you know that your dough is ready. Next we're going to line a 9x9 inch brownie tray with baking paper, and we're going to pack all of our shortbread dough into the pan. Using your fingers, spread out the dough in a nice even layer. If you're as picky as we are and you want to make it super flat, then you can use something flat just to press it down and make that perfect shortbread layer. Now we're going to bake our shortbread at 175 degrees for about 35 minutes or until golden brown. Now it's time to make our caramel layer, and for that we're going to set our condensed milk at a medium-low flame. Give it a quick stir, and then we're going to add in our butter and our brown sugar. We're going to simmer this until it turns into a nice dark caramel color, but make sure you keep stirring the pot so that you don't burn your caramel on the bottom of the pan. Now that our caramel is ready, we're going to set it aside and let it cool for a bit before we pour it on top of our shortbread. Now using a spatula or the back of a spoon, you can spread this nice and evenly and give it a bit of a shake to make sure it goes into all the nooks and crannies. Now we're going to let this cool in the fridge for at least 30 to 40 minutes before we add our chocolate layer. Now for our last layer, we microwaved our dark chocolate or milk chocolate in 30-second bursts until it was nice and soft. And then we spread it on top of our caramel, and again give it a nice shake to make sure it's nice and flat and spread evenly. Then we added dabs of white chocolate, just randomly across the whole surface. As always, all the ingredients are in the description, and there is a link to our blog where you can find a printable version of the recipe, as well as a more detailed description for each of the steps. Last but not least, we're going to add our marble design, and for that we're just going to take a wooden skewer or a chopstick and drag it through the chocolate until you have a beautiful marble design. Just keep going, it's going to turn out really nice. And after cooling our Millionaire shortbread in the fridge for about an hour, we can cut it into nice squares. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you leave us a like and a comment. And if you want to see more recipes like this one, then make sure you subscribe and ring that bell button. So let's try our Millionaire shortbread. Ready? Here we go. Absolutely amazing. We'll see you next week.